Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and ZIP archives on Realme C33. And to do this you'll need to launch the RAR app I shown you previously on how to download it. Now let's locate the files that we'll be unpacking. Here I have it. Click on it. Then click on the arrow pointing up. You'll enter extraction options. Here you can change any of the options, but it's not necessary. You can go for the browse to change the designation where the files will be unpacked, and I want them in the movies folder. Click on OK to save that, then again on OK to unpack your files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.